Everyone, welcome to QSpiders Program Placement Sale. Today we have one more place candidate, Ankita, with us. Let's talk with her. Hello Ankita.
Hello sir.
Will you please introduce yourself?
Yes sir. My name is Ankita and I am from Bhiwani. Currently I reside in sector 135 Noida, and I have completed my master's degree in computer science from Chaudhary Bansilal University in 2020.
Ma'am, so what you will tell about this QSpiders program?
And this is the place where I start my career planning. And if I talk about Java trainer, Devasi sir, he is the best teacher, and for automation, Aman sir is the best, and for manual, Chandrakant sir is the best teacher.
So, ma'am, what you will suggest to our candidate about this mock presentation and attending regular classes?
Okay. And if I talk about mock and presentation, it is the best for to improve your communication skills, and it is always improve the communication, and it will be very helpful in the interview also. Will continue the regular classes, you will get definitely job.
So, what will suggest to our future candidate?
In future candidates, please come to the QSpiders, and you will definitely get the job.
Thank you. Okay, congratulations, ma'am. And all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.